podcast is problems and solution for firewall or proxy settings.
Digital world where information flows freely, we often encounter challenges. One of these challenges revolves around something called a firewall. A firewall, in simple terms, can sometimes create problems like blocking access to the website or causing slow internet. But don't worry because today we are here to explore these problems and, more importantly, discover practical solutions. So let's dive into understanding how firewalls can occasionally get in our way and what we can do to overcome it.
Here are some problems and solutions for firewall or proxy settings. The first one is blocked access to websites or services. So the solution is, if certain websites or services are blocked, check if your firewall or proxy settings are restricting access. You may need to whitelist or allow specific URLs or IP address in your firewall or proxy configurations.
For the second is slow internet connection. So what the solution? Slow internet could be caused by an overloaded proxy server or overly restrictive firewall rules. Ensure that your proxy server has enough bandwidth and that your firewall rules are not overly restrictive. You can also optimize proxy settings for better performance. There is authentication issue problem. So what the solution we can do? If your proxy require authentication, ensure that you have the correct credentials configured. Check for typos or expired passwords. If you are using a firewall with authentication rules, verify that user accounts are correctly set up.
Proxy or firewall outages. So what's the solution? If your proxy or firewall experience downtime, your network may be vulnerable or inaccessible. Implement redundancy and failovers mechanism to minimize disruption in a case of outrage. Conclusion: firewalls are crucial for our online security, but they can sometimes create problems. The good news is solution exists for these issues. Stay informed and proactive to ensure your digital safety and smooth online experience. Thank you for joining us today.
Created using Powtoon.